Boston Dynamics, the robotics company famous for those viral videos of robots doing backflips and parkour, just sold out its entire 2026 production run of humanoid robots. Every single unit of their new electric Atlas robot is already committed to customers before it ships. The first deployment, already underway at a Hyundai factory in Georgia. This is the moment humanoid robots stopped being tech demos and became products that companies are betting real money on. Boston Dynamics has been building advanced robots for over 30 years, mostly for military research and those viral marketing videos that racked up hundreds of millions of views. The company was acquired by Hyundai in 2021 for nearly $1 billion. Now that investment is paying off. Their new electric Atlas robot stands 1.9 meters tall, weighs 90 kilograms, and represents a complete redesign from the old hydraulic version. This machine has 56 degrees of freedom, including limbs and a torso that can rotate a full 360 degrees. It lifts 110 pounds and can be trained for most tasks in less than a day. A fleet of these robots is already running field tests at Hyundai's Metaplant America facility in Elabelle, Georgia. That's a massive manufacturing complex where Hyundai builds electric vehicles like the Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 9. Atlas won Best Robot at CES 2026 with CNET's panel of 40 experts calling it, quote, hands down the best of the humanoid bunch. But the real signal is the order book. All 2026 deployments are fully committed. Units are heading to Hyundai's Robotics Center and to Google DeepMind in the coming months. Zero inventory available. That's a supply constraint most robotics companies would kill for. Robotics companies have been promising humanoid robots for decades. What's different now is the economics actually work. Hyundai's roadmap calls for manufacturing 30,000 Atlas robots per year by 2028 at the Georgia facility. That's not a prototype run. That's automotive-scale production applied to robotics. The deployment strategy is methodical. 2026 focuses on robot-only shifts in high-hazard areas, places with extreme temperatures or chemical exposure where humans can't safely work. By 2028, Atlas handles parts sequencing. By 2030, it moves into component assembly and complex operations. Google DeepMind getting units signals something bigger. The companies at the frontier of artificial intelligence want physical embodiment. Software intelligence plus physical capability equals something neither industry could build alone. The humanoid form factor matters, because factories are designed for human bodies. Retooling entire facilities costs billions. Building robots that fit existing infrastructure is faster and cheaper. The timeline to track 2026 is proof of concept at scale. 2028 is when 30,000 units per year hits production. Competition is heating up fast. CES 2026 featured 9 different humanoid robot announcements from companies including LG, Unitree, and others chasing the same market. Tesla's Optimus is still in development. The race is on, and Boston Dynamics just demonstrated they can ship product while others are still showing demos. Watch for deployment numbers and task expansion reports from the Georgia facility. The humanoid robot market just went from science fiction to sold-out inventory. If you want to stay ahead of what's actually shipping in AI and robotics, hit subscribe. We cover the technology that's changing how work gets done. See you in the next one.